Cybersecurity experts say the data hack on Medibank is shaping up as far worse than the one against Optus. The healthcare provider has now revealed the breach on its customers' data is much wider than originally thought, potentially impacting at least 4 million people.
Zan Wong's personal information could now be in the hands of criminals.
Name, date of birth, I think what visa I was on, and my Medicare number, and my home address.
His biggest fear is for others who are linked to his Medibank account.
My parents' details because that's an emergency contact.
The healthcare provider was hacked almost 2 weeks ago, but details are still emerging. The company originally believed the only targets were its budget insurance subsidiary, AHM, and its international student healthcare service. Now it says the data from its core Medibank brand was also hacked. This widens the breach to potentially 4 million customers, along with countless former Medibank members too.
This is a malicious attack. This is a deliberate attack on the most vulnerable people in our community.
The company says that it only learned of the widened scope of the attack after being contacted a second time by a criminal entity over the weekend.
Look, what we know is the criminals did steal username and password from someone with high-level access to our systems. They then impersonated this individual, and that's how they got into the systems.
Medibank still doesn't know how many of these millions of customers have actually had their data accessed. It's set up a helpline for concerned customers and a crisis line for people who are in distress. Cybersecurity experts say that this breach is even worse than the one that hit Optus.
It's very disturbing, and it has brought the public confidence to the lowest level we may have seen in years.
Zan Wong was also hit by the Optus breach, and he hopes that the Medibank hack is the last one he sees. Emilia, Terzon, ABC News.